Hi, I'm in a wheelchair and I bought one from New Motion that's supposed to be real great. Well, New Motion gave me this chair that when you put your hands on the ring, you touch the tire and you end up with black hands like this. Or you can be buying gloves like this every 6 months or sooner. They go through leather gloves. It actually wears through leather to push this no motion chair. As well, if you notice, they fall apart. The armrests break. The tires wear out. This is the second set of tires and they're worn already. This one's almost gone. That's $100 a tire. New Motion is the last people you want to buy a wheelchair from. Beware, because I've called over and over and they send you right back to the people, your local people, that won't do anything. Don't buy a $3,000 Medicare wheelchair. You will be screwed if you have to push yourself around because their service sucks. God bless you. Please don't. New Motion is bad.